101 Hank FM. We play everything country.
Look at this rain, everybody. Look at that. Hey, Justin. Hey, Dave. Look at all this. Man, hey, Ron. Man. Hey, Patty. Look at that weather. Is this crazy? It's coming down to Fort Worth. Where are you? Yeah, no field trip today, Anthony. Hey, Belinda. Hey, Colby. Look at this. Is it raining where you guys are? Look at that. Justine. We are on the air.
I got 95.9 The Ranch.
The Ranch.
Real in Texas country. Robert King, Brandon Ryder, Jason Bowen.
That's loud.
Where Texas singers and songwriters
Entertainment
call
minute.
home.
Texas music.
Good morning, everybody. How we doing out there? Are you getting soaking wet, or are you just
The Ranch.
wet this morning?
I mean, it is horrible
Is it
outside.
coming down
Hey, you want to go
like a
outside?
bunch of cows on Flat Rock?
Do a rain dance? Come on now. Hey, 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 hey. What? Hey, ho, hoo, ha, hoo, cha. No, no. I mean, it is coming. Huh?
Bring your wallet.
What? Yeah. Oh my gosh. About to get wet up in here. Hi, Kevin. Hey, Virginia. Karen. Oh my gosh.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Look at us going down. Where are we going? Oh my gosh! Woo! Hey, it's
I don't know
so.
if there's a raindrops or if I just threw coffee all over myself.
I wouldn't count that out. Jason, good morning. What's going on?
Man, it is coming down out here.
How about this? This is. Oh man,
Is this all hurricane related, or is this just
I think it's the hurricane.
just the outer ring?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it is. Troy says, "Good morning, Jack Wagons."
Hello, Jack Wagon.
He calls us Jack Wagons.
We got a name for you, Troy, but we're not going to say that in mixed company.
He's from Ohio.
Who's
He'll
this
be back
here?
home on
Somebody here to
Friday.
greet us.
Hey!
Morning.
Oh, coming to work. What's going on? Oh, look at that. I mean, this is not. Hey, they're not out here having to clean the sidewalks
Where has
today.
everybody at?
No one's walking to work this morning. Oh my word, you're walking out here. Hey, we found out my phone's. Oh my gosh, we found out my phone's waterproof, Justin. So this doesn't matter. Oh my gosh.
It's rain, Jeremy. It's not going to kill you.
Well, I know, but I'm gonna.
We should be out here enjoying this,
That's true.
which I am enjoying it. It's pouring down right now.
And we're out here in Sundance
Will your head
Square.
fit in that trash?
No, no more. Look. Look, my head won't fit in that little slot.
See, I got on some high-end Under Armour camouflage shoes. You got on Crocs.
I got on Crocs.
So I hope to God that those things get tore up and we have to buy you some boots.
My boots would get ruined out here.
Ruined my 407 barbecue hat.
My moisturizer's going into my eye. It's burning.
Moisturizer.
What?
Moisturizer.
You know, you clean your face with that stuff.
See, in my house, we call that soap.
Oh. Don't tell them I use moisturizer.
Tell everybody.
Welcome to Sundance Square.
Hello.
Well, hi. This is a horrible idea.
Why?
We're soaking wet.
It's rain. It's not going to bother anybody. You want to see a movie?
Well,
It's rain. You're never going to make it through a Larry Joe Taylor Texas Music Festival. It's raining a little hard now.
that's what. My,
No.
I'm trying. I look like a wet, fat Pekingese. Oh my gosh. We've had better ideas, I've got to be honest.
Well, I wanted to experience the rain. It's been a while. It's been so hot. I wanted to cool off. Now I feel like I pulled this shirt right out of the washing machine. But hey, we gotta go in there.
Oh yeah. I mean, you think there's any sizable towels around here?
Just roll around in the floor.
Walk with a swag looking sharp as a tack. Lit up like Times Square. Who's that guy with a big old smile as wide as the Rio Grande?
What happened?
I was busy.
We do sunrise and Sundance every morning outside.
Not this morning. We have to. It's contractual.
If you'll look around,
I don't see him being wet.
believe me, this didn't come from working out.
Yeah, I promise it wasn't working out. Sweating with the oldies.
I think there's only one thing we have to do.
What? Push him outside?
We have to take him outside. Well, I mean, if you're gonna be on the team, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
I need you to. Hey, you stand there. No, get out from underneath the awning. Get out there. Go. Keep walking all the way to the street. Ron, I will close this door all the way to the street.
Oh
Keep
my
going.
gosh.
It's a team thing here. Okay. Defense wins championship.
Oh my god.
How long do you think that's going to be? Is he out there? Is he mad?
He's over there. Hey, he's got his wallet, so he can get in.
Come on, Ronnie. Ronnie, come on.
It was.
Ronnie.
I did the Heimlich maneuver on you.
I'm gonna pass out. Hey, guess you had your wallet.
Yes, I had my wallet.
Oh, this is great.
Get away from
Hey,
me.
Look at that.
for years, we're gonna
Right.
remember this moment where we did a sunrise.
You know what I think? That was very brave of Ron.
This was very.
I feel like that, you know, what he needs now is some loving. Come here, Ron.
Love my.
Let's just all get in here. Get in there, rub on that.
Rub all of it.
Can I rub my glasses on your shirt?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. All right. Well, how about that for a first?
Yeah. A wet
I look like a wet.
piece of grass.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna kick my shoes off. My wet Crocs.
Don't take your shoes off in here.
Well, my Crocs are wet.
Are they clean?
Oh yeah.
I just burped up coffee in Copenhagen.
At least it wasn't grass. I was doing that yesterday.
Man, I feel clean.
You feel clean?
Good. Good rain bath.
Miss Banfield says, a team that dances in the rain together stays together. I agree with that 100%.
You know what I think we ought to do?
What?
I think we ought to have a dance-off.
A dance-off?
I don't know if you'll know this or not, though.
You know how to dance?
How old are you?
37.
37?
Yeah?
Let's see if, let me get this set up right. So we don't
This is my phone. This is the second time my phone has been out in the water.
Okay.
Morning, guys.
We're ready now.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see those hearts if you want to see Mr. Justin Frizzell move.
There we go.
What? What? Okay, get ready, everybody. Get ready to get down tonight. Got a little dance moves from the Justin Frizzell. That's right. Come on now. Feel the music. Look at those hearts for you, Mr. Frizzell. Come on now. Oh, yeah. Even though she's ugly. Oh, no, yeah. Come on now. You're making it rain, Frizzell. You're making it rain. Oh, yeah. Hey, they're ringing the bell for you. They're ringing the bell, Justin. Oh, yeah. Gotta blame it on the. Gotta blame it on the. Right there. Blame it on the rain for all this. Come on now.
White man dance. You gotta bite your white man. Thumbs up, bite your bottom lip, and just.
That's a white boy dance. Look at that.
I mean, you gotta bite it hard.
Man, too bad Ronnie is doing something right now.
They're just taking his pills.
Ronnie's taking his pills right now, ladies and gentlemen. Come on now. It's humid in here now with the rain. Hey, Ants, what's up, Ginger? Thanks for waking up. Sunrise and Sundance. Oh, falling.
I'm gonna take my shirt off.
Oh, no. Get us some views, Justin Brazell. Ladies and gentlemen, come on now. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have the congregation stand, please?
You know, Milli Vanilli really didn't even sing that song.
Oh, is that whole thing about the...
They were the lip syncers.
Yeah,
They had their Grammy pulled.
Yeah, because they weren't singing.
Yeah.
Justin told me that not long ago. Guys, have a great day. Do yourself a favor. Justin's taught me yet another thing today. Go out and enjoy the rain. Enjoy the rain. It's from the Lord above, from the heavens above. Enjoy your day.
What's the girl in the bathtub from this song?
I can't breathe.
He's curled up.
Why are you crying while I'm trying for this love?
You know what I'd say? Get out of that dadgum bathtub. Quit your belly aching. That's what I say.
Have a taco.
Have a taco. All right, guys, love you. Go out and have yourself your own rain dance. We'll see.
An update here. Hang on.
Uh-oh.
Let's go live to Ollie Williams with the weather report.
Hello?
It's raining sideways. Sounds rough, Ollie. Do you have an umbrella? Have one. Where is it? Inside out, 2 miles away. Is there anything we can do for you? Bring me some soup. What kind? Chunky. All right, we're good on that.
Chunky. There's your weather forecast. Love you guys. We'll see you soon.
Adios. See you down the road.